Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily and quickly change the color of your lips, and not only on your Bitmoji in the Snapchat app. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, be sure to put your likes, and also write comments after watching this video. And let's get down to our topic. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. Then in the top left corner, tap on your Bitmoji to go to your profile. Next, also on the left side, tap on this sign right here. Now you will be taken to the changes to your Bitmoji. As you can see, here you can change your clothes, shoes, and so on. And then, if you go to this section where the brush, you can find the lipstick here. So you can easily, as you can see, change your lip color to the one you like. Also here you will be able to change yourself a different makeup, some add-ons like your self-accessories. Also change your clothes and shoes. And after all the changes you wanted to make are done, click Save at the top. And after that, in just a few seconds, you will have all the changes already on your Snapchat page. That's the very simple way, friends. You can easily change the lip color of your Bitmoji in the Snapchat app. I hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, don't forget to write your comments, and see you soon.